welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki Moa here. I'm back with another eyeshadow makeup tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to see this look, just continue watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with a red eyeshadow. I'm going to just place my color and then blend it out with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to buff out that red with the yellow eyeshadow. I am now going in with the black eyeshadow in the outer corner. I just want to deepen the corner and give our eye a shape. And then I go in and just place the color to cut my crease. Okay, so I hated how I shaped my eyes with that black. I didn't like the black winging out like that. So I'm going in with a makeup remover and a Q-tip, and then I'm just going to shape out the cut crease so that the colors are not underneath when I cut it with my concealer. And I'm just taking away that black wing. Now I am going in with my Tarte concealer in the shade Tan just to cut my cut crease. I always bring my eyeshadow colors back in where I see it needs to be fit. My black looks a little dull, I'm gonna add more black. Then I always go back in and buff with the red. Then I'm gonna buff with the yellow and just blend, blend, blend. Right now I'm bringing the black in so that we can have where we would like our orange eyeshadow to be. To apply my orange eyeshadow, I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush. It's real easy, just patting motions, not wiping, we're patting. So as you can see, I want to have a nice blend, so I am going over the black a little bit with the orange because we don't want harsh lines. Okay, no harsh lines. So I'm going back in with black now because I feel like the orange kind of took away from the black. So I always go back and forth adding colors. I add one color, I'm going to go back over with the old colors, make sure everything is blended and still pigmented at the same time. I'm now going to take a black eyeliner. It's a black matte eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And I'm just going to start at the inner corners and I'm going to go all the way to the out part to where the black is. It's not going to be a wing eyeliner. It's going to be like a blending eyeliner. I don't know what they call it. I don't know. So after I do that, I just take my black eyeshadow again and just pat it on to make it have a seamless line. Then I'm taking this red eyeshadow after I blended. Again, take this red eyeshadow and blend and blend and blend with the black because I just want it to be really nice and blended. And I'm going back in with that yellow. Like I said, all colors, I'm going back in. So because I wanted this eye look to be sharp, I took my concealer, just did a straight angled upward line just to make the eyeshadow sharp. Cut it, cut it, cut it, and that's it. Then as you can see, I took some yellow eyeshadow. Just took a yellow eyeshadow and just put it in my inner corner to make it pop. It's not a highlight, but just a yellow eyeshadow. Then I'm going in with my Eyelash X Plus lashes, and here is the look. Just some pictures for you guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next Teaching Tuesday with Kiki.